Just 24 hours after 9 on Your Side aired an investigation of the Tucson VA Health System, Senator John McCain is responding to our reporting. He's calling for a full-scale Veterans Affairs investigation of its own.
McCain cites the KGUN 9 investigation and says he sent a letter to Department of Veterans Affairs Secretary Robert McDonald today, urging him to investigate allegations of staffing shortages, poor care, and whistleblower retaliation at the Tucson Veterans Affairs Medical Center. Not on Your Side's Valerie Cavazos has more details on McCain's call for an investigation.
Veteran Garry Riggs pops a percoset pill every 3 hours because he's in severe pain.
I refuse to take more than what I'm taking now.
Riggs told me he's addicted. He needs to see a primary care doctor, but he's waited several months. His last appointment in October canceled because his doctor was leaving.
And they said they were getting temps in, temporary doctors, and they were having difficulties even getting temps to come in.
Veteran advocate Ed Wagner says he sounded the alarm for years.
Understaffed, broken, and they're not treating the doctors like they should, or nurses.
That got Senator John McCain's attention. He wrote a letter to the VA Secretary, Robert McDonald, concerned that the Tucson Veterans Affairs Medical Center is unable to retain its medical providers and that this is having a severe impact on patient wait times for medical appointments. KGUN 9's investigation revealed a high turnover rate of new doctors, most leaving within 5 years. And this also got McCain's attention. I reported Lena Cruz is a medical supply technician, employed 20 years at the Southern Arizona VA, recently in infection control. She said over the past 5 years, management pushed overworked staff to cut corners, resulting in, for example, reusable medical equipment for colonoscopy procedures not being properly decontaminated.
When you have less people, you tend to rush things through and are not as thorough. It's kind of like washing dishes fast. You're going to leave stuff on the dishes. You're not going to rinse them well.
McCain wrote to the secretary, allegations have also been raised that due to reduced staffing, medical equipment may have become contaminated and inappropriately reused. Cruz became a whistleblower. She says when she spoke up, she was investigated and removed from her job. McCain wrote to the secretary, perhaps the most troubling allegation is that VA has not yet changed its culture to eliminate retaliation against whistleblowers who identify problems and issues with veteran care. A charge Wagner has made for years.
Do you think that they were just trying to sweep it under the rug here?
Most definitely, most definitely. Everybody that we've ever talked to just says, well, we'll look into it. We'll look into it, but nothing's ever truly been done.
And Senator McCain also pointed out that Congress has given the VA billions of dollars in emergency spending for new doctors and nurses, and he wants to know what specific steps the VA has taken to ensure that it's using all available tools and resources to prevent excessive wait times. McCain is asking the VA secretary for a timely response. Stella?
Valerie.